In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a table in PowerPoint. Creating a table in PowerPoint is similar to creating one in Word. I've created a new slide, and here's my placeholder. And once again, we've talked about this in the last video where I have these little buttons here that I can select different objects, and the one I want to select this time is the very first one that says Insert Table. Now, unlike Word, where I have all the little boxes where I can just kind of click and drag how many rows and columns I want, I need to choose right here. So I'm going to decrease this to just 2 columns and increase it to, let's do 8 rows. All right, so there's my table. Now, once I've created my table, I see 2 familiar tabs up the top, the Design tab and the Layout tab, both for the table. So just like in Word, if I want to change my table style, I just scroll through here, find a style that I like. If I want to adjust the column widths, here's a common mistake that I see. I see people come over here, it's supposed to change the first column to 2.5 inches, and they come over here and change this to 2.5 inches. That's obviously very, very small. That's not 2.5 inches. What you've just done is actually changed the whole table to 2.5 inches. This is the table size. To adjust just the individual columns, you want to make sure you're over here. Here's my row height and my column width for the individual columns. So if I change this one to 2.5, there we go. Now column 1 is 2.5 inches, and let's change the second column to 2 inches. All right, so now that I've done that, I may want to center the table. Now if I center it on the entire slide, it's going to be like somewhere probably about right in here, and that doesn't really look good because it's not centered on the title. Centering kind of depends on your theme, and you can see my theme has all this extra stuff on the right. So what I want to center is I want it centered underneath the title. Now PowerPoint makes that really, really easy. If I start dragging over here slowly, there we go. See that red line pop up? That tells me that I've actually centered it now underneath the title, and the table is now centered on there. So that's how you would center the table in the slide. So that's how you create a table. Then you would just go through and start typing in your text and information just like you would in Word. Everything else should be pretty familiar to you.